3 ingredients.
I already measured everything, so y'all can't say, "Oh, you spilled." That's our new paper towel holder.
Ooh, I like it.
His sister bought it for me.
That is dope. Hey foodies, and welcome back to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're gonna make peanut butter cookies and gingerbread cupcakes with a cream cheese frosting.
Yum.
But we're gonna start with the peanut butter cookies. Super easy, guys. 3 ingredients. You can do it. 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1 cup of peanut butter.
Easy enough.
Yeah, just scraping it out of the measuring cup is a pain. Why is my dog like obsessed with you?
Hello.
I have a little assistant apparently that y'all can't see. And make sure you preheat your oven to 350. Alright, so the recipe says to mix together until smooth and creamy. Okay.
Don't be sticky.
I don't know why I'm doing it that way. I don't have a drawer full of utensils. Alright, so now you gotta roll them into like small balls and put them on the cookie sheet.
Don't want to be grungy. Darn grungy up in here.
I don't know why I started saying that, y'all. I'm gonna be real honest. I just
Part of the show now. Is this all gonna fit in one? It seems like.
I feel like it probably will fit on one. I don't know why I got 2 cookie sheets.
All good. That's a Liz special though.
What?
There's always a gargantuous one.
Look.
Always.
No, I don't know why that. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Oh, I might have made that too deep, but whatever. And it's not peanut butter cookies unless you got that little crosshatch on top, which I'm just doing a terrible job. But they might not be the prettiest, but they will be delicious. We have these other cookies that we decided that we're just gonna make real quick.
Yeah.
See, this is probably the size cookies are supposed to be, and I'm just like, no. We're gonna have giant ones.
Whoever floats your boat.
Alright, so now we're gonna pop them in the oven for 10 minutes. So while the peanut butter cookies are in the oven, we're gonna work on the gingerbread cupcakes. Alright, so for the gingerbread cookies...
For the gingerbread cookies, we have half a cup of unsalted, softened to room temperature butter, half a cup of packed lighter dark brown sugar, 1 large egg at room temperature, half a cup of milk at room temperature, half a cup of molasses.
At room temperature.
That too. Yep.
I mean, you can't...
Everything's at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half teaspoon of ground ginger, half teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 4 teaspoon of ground allspice and that cream cheese.
Okay, so clearly that didn't work out. So we'll also put the recipe in the description.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Alright, so right now I want to mix together the butter and brown sugar. Alright, so it says to mix it until creamy, but like...
I mean, that's as creamy as
good enough!
Yeah.
Alright, so now you have to add the egg.
Beat in the milk, molasses, and the vanilla. Thick molasses.
It really is.
So you're gonna put all the dry ingredients together in one little measuring cup, and then we're gonna combine the 2.
Yeah, they're like, oh, whisk it all together. I'm not doing that. Let me just help this ginger out real quick. Alright, and now you mix it all together. It smells like gingerbread.
That's a good thing.
Which I'm gonna help, right?
Does it taste like gingerbread?
Yep. Tastes interesting. I don't know if I like gingerbread. It looks well mixed.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we're on. Do good. Don't ask me why I'm doing it this way, Kihro. I don't know.
I didn't say anything.
Okay, but you felt it. Alright, so look. I know these are Halloween themed, okay? But we need to use them. They're sitting in my house. Taking up space. So we're just gonna fill like that. You should say Gucci.
Gucci. Yep, that sure did.
I remember I had this boss when I worked at Hyundai. He would always say, "What's Gucci?" I'm like, you can't just say what's good. You can't just say I'm good. Because he'd be like, I'm Gucci. You are not a purse. I don't know how many of these we're actually going to be able to make, but... Well... Okay.
Well...
It's not on my counter. Cool, upgraded from spilling things to dropping things.
In all honesty, there is a little bit of spill on the counter.
You know what? Ain't nobody said you had to point that out. Okay, ain't nobody told you to do that.
Too bad there's not an automatic zoom in.
Oh my gosh, I was putting the powdered sugar away and like, it just like poof, it spilled all over me. You see it on the floor over there.
Oh.
And then I was like,
about to say, I saw some on Iro too.
And Anthony's just all like, oh, well, you know.
Typical.
Yeah. He goes, sorry, I wasn't filming. Oh, no.
We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 cupcakes.
Or mini cakes or whatever we're gonna call them. Yep. Not done quite yet.
Almost.
So we have to wait for those to get done. So we'll make some cream cheese frosting to go with
cupcakes.
Yeah.
Alright, for this frosting, we're gonna need 2 packages of cream cheese, half cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of sifted confectioners sugar.
So this recipe tells you the first step is to gather all your ingredients, like of course it is.
Yes. Alright, so we're gonna beat the cream cheese and softened butter in a medium bowl until smooth and creamy.
For whatever reason, I said, I don't want to use my stand mixer today. That never would have happened with the stand mixer. And that's what I get. It says to then mix in the vanilla, so that's what I'm getting. So that's what I'm getting. Oh. The cookies on the top rack are probably good to come out.
So the ones on the bottom have burnt a little bit.
The other ones?
Oh, where's the little?
Oh, yeah.
To the left. In the drawer. Okay. Yeah, I think these are good. Yeah.
Okay, so you have to put them on the thing because they'll ruin the glass top.
Ooh. When'd you get those?
Mother-in-law. She gets good presents. Actually, she's just great. So, do we really want to show those?
Probably not. Yeah.
What's going on?
Nothing!
It never happened. It never happened.
So, we're now gonna go ahead. Cupcakes, mini cakes, whatever vibe we're calling them. Let's go into the oven.
Yeah, sure. It's starting to look like pasta.
Yeah! So, fun fact. I have broken 6 hand mixers.
That is a fun fact.
Because when I was working for Hyundai, I was baking all of the time. And I was like, well, I'll just make a triple batch of frosting. So, because I had like a lot of cupcakes that had frost. And my little hand mixer was all like, goodbye, world. Goodbye. And I was like, wait, I'm not done using you. So then I had to run over to my mom's house and take hers. And then I broke hers.
Oh, that's nice.
And then followed my dad's, and then I broke it. So my dad's all like, I never really brought my hand mixer again. You keep breaking them. That was like the 4th time I broke my dad's hand mixer. And he was just like, you're not borrowing my hand mixers ever again. Go buy a stand mixer. So I bought a stand mixer.
Well, that's a good story. As we use the hand mixer.
Hey, I'm not making a triple batch of frosting, so it should be fine.
This is true.
Alright, Kylie, want to try one of the peanut butter cookies?
Sure.
Why? And we have frosting. You look like this. Now y'all can make your own frosting. And if you decide to be a sad panda and eat it all because you're depressed, no one will judge you. Don't break your parents' hand mixers because then they'll yell at you. You'd be like, why are you this way?
That's dope.
Oh, that's super cute.
Magnetic?
Show the people. I got that for Christmas. Oh, she also got me this. It's a neat paper towel holder. It has a bat that spins. I didn't know it spins, so that's really cool. I like that. Yay me!
Yay me!
Alright, let's try one of these cookies. Alright, so this is one of our peanut butter cookies. I had to give some to our editor.
For 3 ingredients, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
No, just a stupid comment. I'm just saying, if you have a peanut allergy, this will definitely kill you. It might taste really peanut buttery.
Good thing none of us are. I hope.
It's not gonna cupcakes. Actually, hold on.
Look at you.
Oh, that's delicious. I was trying to say you should try some.
Oh, well.
One more time.
Don't choke. I don't know the Heimlich. I can't save you.
It's too late.
Delicious. I really do love gamer subs. Alright, so my coworker Kyle, one day is like, oh, I was complaining about how tired I was. He was like, oh, here, you want some energy powder? I was like, I don't know. He goes, it only has 100 milligrams of caffeine per scoop. And I was like, okay, fine. Tried it. I love it. Tell my boyfriend about it. Bring some home for him to try. He loves it. No longer drinks Monster, just drinks gamer subs. So then I have some, Anthony has some, Kyle has some. So then we go, hey Nick, which is one of our coworkers. I don't know if you know.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so it was like, hey Nick, you look dead. You want some gamer subs? He goes, yeah, alright. Well, now he's addicted to gamer subs, and I'm on vacation right now. So I'm just kind of like, well, what are you going to do, Nick? Just like, suffer. Remember the gamer subs that you did share with me? I'm like, I'm only going to be gone for 8 days. But that,
That's a long time.
not long enough. Next year, gonna be even longer. I'm gonna save all my sick time too.
I doubt I'm going to do the same. I say I will, but then when I get it, I'm like,
You know what? I don't feel good.
But then again, now I teach classes, so I can't just use it.
True now.
No. I can't be like, all right, class, you're on your own. Nice.
Fogging up my glasses.
Nice. I need to get me some of these.
I know, aren't they great?
Yeah. Amazon? Oh, you missed a cookie. How'd you miss a cookie?
You missed
What the fuck?
Like, oh, you know what? That's good now. Right?
That's good.
I didn't see it. Alright. Cupcakes. Out of the oven.
Stop.
Some nice looking frosting.
Kihro, am I about to witness a murder? Neat trick, party people. When you want your things to cool faster, put them in the freezer. I need to find a piping bag. I don't remember where I put them.
There's a baking cupboard?
I guess. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Anthony did this. What frosting tip should we use?
Oh,
I think this one.
yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Oh, but then there's these. You're fine.
Oh, okay.
Actually sitting in.
Taking the frosting that we made and in a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you could just use a Ziploc bag. Just cut the tip off, or, the end off, or whatever. Oh my god. Hi.
I mean, they didn't see it. I hear about it, but
Oh yeah, there's a max fill line on these, but I don't care. I have frosting on me, so I looked it up.
Yeah, you didn't know.
It caved in the middle. I don't know why it caved in, but I'm making it pretty.
like the bike cake.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it to Kihro to enjoy.
Oh, yay!
Alright, while Kairo's enjoying that, tasting it, I'm gonna frost the other ones. What do we think? I will try one later.
It's good. Ooh, the gingerbread taste kicks in at the end.
Oh, is it paired with
At
frosting?
first, it was like pumpkin pie, but then it hit you. Frosting tip.
Fair as well with it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, the only thing left to do is frost the rest of them. I don't know if y'all want to watch me frost the rest of them. You can use whatever piping tip you want. Don't have a piping tip, that's cool. If you don't want to do all that, that's also cool. You do you. I think they look pretty.
Take a spoon and just plow.
Yeah, you could take them out of your pan, liner, whatever you choose to use, cut it in half, frost the middle, and make yourself a little sandwich, like a little cupcake Oreo type of vibe. All right, what recipes should we try next? I got a Lord of the Rings cookbook for Christmas.
Nice.
I have a Nightmare Before Christmas cookbook. What would you guys like us to cook next? Let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Until next time, foodies.
Bye.